Oreo! He's attacking me. Hey, don't hurt me. I'm your friend. Hey! Frick! Get away! I was gonna let you inside. Hey guys, so I'm going to vlog again today because it is moderation day for my school. So year 9, 10, 11 gets the day off. So it's senior school, but year 12 to us because it's just year 9, 10, 11. So yeah, I filmed my February favourites to make sure they were done and dusted. And I'm just currently working on my science assignment. That's my research, and I'm typing up my essay. Science is my favourite subject, so yeah. And we also got an essay which matches my dress. And there's a little kitty cleaning himself down there, and my room is really messy. So yeah. Also got YouTube in the background. Some little guy. Oh. He's so cute. So we are going to pick up Adrian. So we're going to pick up Adrian from school, and then we're going to go swimming. So yeah. Just got back from swimming. I've got a drink.
I already finished mine.
Hmm?
I already finished mine.
Kinder egg.
Now we're going to open it.
Oh.
Mm.
No sound. What is inside there? Dude, don't walk away. Yeah. Can't do it with one hand. You open it. It's not.
Instructions.
They're all good. It's a little creature. Here, I'll make it for you. Okay? Where are you going? Why? Oh, okay. So, I'm watching my kitchen rule. Final night that Rachel Koo is judging. And D-Day, what do you call it? I have an Oreo. I have a poopy Adrian. Ew, and we're about to have popcorn, but you can't have it because we didn't finish it. We will have some though. Yeah. Popcorn. And my kitchen rule. Oh yeah. But it's not going well for them. I hope that they get a better score. I think it's the worst angle because it's between them, and yeah, I hope they win and they go home. Going to eat that.
Who's gonna eat it? What was it?
A chip he stole from me. Don't eat it, he's licked it.
Yuck. I want to smell
It's
it.
probably bad for you.
Can I have a smell? Yuck.
What's wrong? Oh, now he's lost interest in that shit. Silly.
Silly Billy.
So it's the next day now. We're doing Adrian's home where you have to observe the house
Oreo!
numbers of our stream.
Ginger cat.
And little Oreo came out and he's following us everywhere.
Can we touch her?
No, it's not our cat.
Please.
He's in school uniform. Found another ginger cat to fight. He's not impressed with Oreo. Oh, poor Bubby. Oreo, come on!
What are you doing?
He's like, screw this, I'm rolling. Oh, you're making yourself disgusting. Come on.
It's so dirty, Oreo.
Look at you. Yeah, we're going to ring it home. Come on.
That's dirty.
Hello.
Bobby cat.
Hello.
She needs something to clean her. She can't look liquor. That's going to take ages.
Yeah, you're all dirty, aren't you?